Given the criteria and the purpose of the Compleat Lawyer Award, I submit there's no more worthy recipient than my partner and dear friend, Stanford E. Lacy. Stan is one of the most decent and generous people I've ever known. His wife Connie, his daughter Virginia, his son Whit, and all of his partners are extremely proud of him. Stan grew up in Atlanta and at an early age demonstrated his leadership skills. He was president of his senior class, president of the engineering school at the University of Virginia, and president of his social fraternity. Stan had an outstanding career in the United States Air Force and volunteered to go overseas to train pilots both in Korea and in Vietnam. He also led a team who wrote and illustrated airplane maintenance manuals for the Vietnamese. For these efforts, Stan was awarded the Air Force Commendation Medal. Stan came to our law school in 1971, where he was a member of the Law Review as well as the Wig and Robe. Stan and I met and became good friends in the late 70s while he served as an assistant United States public defender and I was an assistant United States attorney. We told jokes to each other, and we always said that we knew both kinds of jokes, both clean ones and the funny ones. He and I hit it off so well, we almost immediately started talking about practicing law together someday. That opportunity finally came in 1984 when Stan and I, on April Fool's Day, began our partnership. Even before we started our firm, Stan was teaching workers' compensation law at our law school. It's worth noting that Stan is the longest-serving adjunct professor in the history of our law school. And the adjunct professor's office in our new law school building hopefully will be named for him. Stan chaired the Governor's Advisory Committee for the improvement of workers' compensation laws in South Carolina. He has been one of the most active members of the South Carolina Workers' Compensation Educational Association, serving 2 terms as president and producing a number of hilarious but educational training films. In 2011, this association presented him with one of its rare Lifetime Service Awards. Aside from his very successful law practice, Stan has been a champion of his church, the Boy Scouts, and the Cub Scouts. He served as district chairman of the Boy Scouts Capital District. He received the district's Award of Merit in 1993 and later the prestigious Silver Beaver Award as well as the Whitney Young Service Award. Now, if we can just make Stan a grandfather. Everybody in this room should be so lucky as I am to have a partner and friend so loyal and fine as Stan Lacy.